Good morning BTS, and good morning, my dear armies. Today I got this message from so many my WhatsApps, and so many people shared me, so many armies shared me this message, and my heart get broken. Like I can't say anything. So I thought that I think I should record this message and upload to the YouTube so that we all armies get this chance. So, two HYB labels from an army who belongs to a middle class family. Subject: broken middle class army. Respected HYB Corporation, I am an army from a middle class family. Lately, BTS are giving tons of surprise to armies, and we are glad for their unbelievable success. Now, I'll come at the main point. As you are aware that many armies are teenagers, 10 to 17 years old. I can't earn money to get a BTS membership. Today, I got a notice from Viversa BTS, and that was saying that the armies who have membership can join a lottery, and if they are lucky they can have a 30 minutes Zoom meeting. Fine. The armies who can afford to get a membership, they have chances to meet them. And what about the armies who can't afford to buy BTS membership? What shall we do? We also want a chance to meet them, to talk to them. We also love our idols, so why not us? Why only the armies who have membership can get this chance? Most of our parents are against us because we love BTS, but still we fight back. Listen to their tantrums, and still we support and love them. And after doing this, what we get? Don't you think it's too much? Don't you think we are doing too much into businesses, forgetting about our final problems, financial problems, and feelings? It is really hurts knowing that we can't get a chance to talk to them. Only a few armies can get that golden chance. If you want to pick a few of them, then you can do some quizzes or lucky draw. Why only the armies who have membership get all the happiness? Why not the middle class armies? Please think about it when it with a humanly mind, not with that business mind. Please, it's a request from many armies. We also want a chance. Hope you look forward to this message and think about it. Thank you from a middle class army. I hope, my dears, you will understand what a middle class army feels. We also have feelings. Why all the chance get a business class army and those who can afford these things? Why not we? Like when we are childrens, like my age is only of 15. So just think how much I get hurt when I heard this, when I read this. I am really, we are also part of army. We also love BTS. So please think about this. And if we middle class armies are true, please support us.